Alright, so today we're gonna build a media player simulation with the objective to design and implement an interface-based system in Java to simulate the behavior of various types of media players. So, okay, so let's get jumping to our requirements. And we already know that we have to create an interface. So I am gonna be using the IDE BlueJ for this. As you guys already know, place this over here. Let me adjust the size a little bit here. Perfect. And let me create a new project. And we're gonna call this media player. We're gonna have a new interface, right? And we're gonna call this media player. All right. Let me adjust this over here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna create an interface called media player. Right, and within this interface, we're gonna have methods such as play, we're gonna have pause, and we're gonna have stop. Right. Yeah, the functionality should display a message indicating what type of media is playing with the media's title. Yes, stop. Let me actually even maybe pass a parameter here. And this is it. This is our interface. That's it. That's it. And so now we're going to create new classes. And the first class, we're going to call it audio player. Audio player. We're going to call and we're going to create a new, let me see, video player. Video player. And we're going to have a new class called streaming player. This is over here. And so let's get to our audio player. And we're gonna have let me see, audio player. And this audio player implements the media player. Right? It implements it, and then let me go ahead and let me declare a private string here. And so now let's override these methods. Let's override the methods play. Right, so we're gonna have a public here, voided play. And do this title void. I have this name, this title here, right? And then just like that. And then we're gonna system out. System out. What should we system out? So message indicating what type of media player, what type of media is playing. All right, so that's gonna be an audio, right? Let me go playing actually. Playing audio. And then we're gonna call it title. All right, and oh, got a typo here. Hold on. All right, and then we're gonna have an override for pause. So pause is gonna be public void pause, and we're going to system we're gonna have it as audio as paused, right? So here, then we're gonna have an override for our stop method. So we're gonna have a system dot out of print line. And we're gonna have an audio stopped. All right. Perfect. And this is our audio player. So let me just go ahead and copy all that and paste for our video player. And we're just going to change this to video. All right, because then let me see if there's any implement videos. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna have a playing video here. And then we're gonna have it playing an audio, a video is paused, and then video is stopped. All right, video player. Okay. And we're gonna pass this down to the streaming player. See, playing stream, I guess. And then stream is paused. And then stream is stopped. And that is it, right? And let me see what else. I think we need a main to call all this. Yeah, so we're gonna create a main to demonstrate demonstrating using instances of each player type, instantiate each type of media player and invoke their methods to ensure they behave as expected. So let's call a new main. Let's call it, I don't know, just call it player or something, I don't know. And I'm calling it a public. Let me see, just call this like this. Player. Did I miss something here? Public set quote. Oh, let me see. Let me try to fix all this here. Okay. Okay, so create a class that demonstrates either instance of each player type. See or something. Sort of our audio player, and we have our video player. So now main. Let me see. So we're gonna create instances. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So what we're gonna do is, let me see, where do I start? Okay, we're gonna have let me call audio. Wait, I wanna do like a new media player like this. So media player audio is equal to new audio player. Audio player. And then we're gonna have a media player. Video equal to new video player. And then we're gonna have let me reduce this a little bit. Yeah, okay. Media player. And we're gonna have so I have this media player here. Then let me do see like a system that out. Let me see something here. System that out. Line. And actually, let me do something like this. Let me do. Let's go. Okay, audio. Let me see your song. I don't know, like, let me see. And Here we're gonna have video. Video. Let's see. Play some movie. Gonna have Inception, and here we're gonna have stream.